Did you know the Python programming language was named after Monty Python's flying circus? That's right. Guido van Rossum, Python's creator, wanted a name that was short, unique, and fun. He was a big fan of the British comedy series and thought Python captured the quirky spirit he envisioned for the language. This playful origin is why Python's documentation is sprinkled with references to spam, eggs, and other Monty Python jokes. So, next time you're coding in Python, remember, you're part of a community that celebrates not just clean code but also a great sense of humor.